What's up, guys? I'm cooking some blackened catfish today, and I'm going to make a creamy shrimp sauce to go on top of it. I was supposed to do this video outside on the grill. It's been 75 and 80 degrees sunshine all day. Get home from work, starts pouring the rain and won't stop, so we're moving inside this evening. So check this one out. This is a really simple recipe, and this is just sort of how I have learned to do this. I've got 2 catfish fillets that I'm going to brush down with a little bit of melted butter. I've got a cast iron skillet getting hot over here on the stove, and for my seasoning I'm using this Chef Paul Prudhomme's Blackened Redfish Magic. I know there's a lot of good blackening seasoning recipes out there, and you all might have your own that you like, but this one is something you can pick up at most grocery stores, and it's great. It's awesome. If you've not tried it before, I hope that you give it a shot. But the first thing that I'll do is go ahead and just brush these down lightly with a little melted butter, about that much. And then I'll go ahead and season these with the blackening seasoning. I'm going to put a sort of a, I guess, a heavy coat on here. You can use as much or little as you like. I really like the flavors that are in this seasoning, and I guess that'll be enough. Now once I put these in the skillet, I'll do the other side. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and put these in the skillet. As you can see, it's nice and hot. I'll go ahead and brush this side down with a little bit of the butter. Guys, if you can see this, the fish is starting to kind of turn colors around the edges. It's been cooking for a couple minutes or so, and I'm going to go ahead and turn it over. And I'm going to try to do this without tearing it apart. Alright, I actually could have put just a little bit more oil in my skillet, but that'll be fine. I like to keep as much of that seasoning and the sear on the outside of the fish on there as possible. That's where you get your flavor from. We'll let it cook a couple minutes on that side, and we'll take it off of the stove. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and take this catfish out of the skillet. It's finished cooking. Try to do this again without leaving all that nice crust and sear on the skillet. In that same skillet, I'm going to take some butter and some heavy cream, and I've got about 6 shrimp that I've cut up. I'm going to make a sauce to put over top of our fish. Put about that much butter, maybe just a little more. Maybe a couple spoons full, tablespoons. Once that melts, I'm going to put a little garlic in there. And anything that's left in that skillet will just add to the flavor. Going for quite a bit of garlic. Just saute that a little bit. Back the heat off just a little. I don't want to burn my garlic. We'll add about a tablespoon or so full of flour. Don't want to put too much because it'll get thick real fast if you're not careful. Want to brown that up just a little. I'm not going to worry about seasoning it with anything because the flavor, it's going to pick up some flavor from some of that stuff that was left over in the skillet. Then it's got, as you can see, plenty of garlic. And then the shrimp's going to add some flavor. I'm going to go ahead and add in some heavy cream. And my shrimp. And I want to cook this just long enough to cook the shrimp, which won't take long, and to thicken up a little. I think I'll actually put the rest of this cream. That was a half of a pint. I've got this turned all the way down on low. I'm just going to simmer it and keep stirring it. This will thicken up in just a few minutes, and the shrimp won't take very long at all to cook, especially cut up like that into small pieces. This is thickened up pretty good, and I've turned the heat off. Let it sit in this skillet for just a few more minutes. You don't want it to get too thick on you, but you could always thin it back out with a little bit of milk or more cream. But shrimp's done, and it's about ready to serve. Got it plated, and I'm going to spoon just a little bit of this sauce over the top of it. I already tasted this salt. It's delicious. You can taste the shrimp and the garlic. And this is one of our favorite meals with just french fries and a salad. Hey guys, I've got it all plated up. I'm going to give it a shot here and see what it tastes like. I tell you what, that is delicious. This sauce with the shrimp in it, I put plenty of garlic in it. It's a really good flavor. Let me know in the comments, guys, what your favorite way to cook catfish is, and let me know if there's a blackening seasoning, if it's store-bought that you think I should try, or let me know what your recipe is if you would share it. But I appreciate you checking out this video. Next week, hopefully we'll be back outside with the grill. Hope you guys have a great week. God bless you, and I'll talk to you in the next one.